My name is Mary Stewart, and I'm retired from the California State Department of Insurance for the last 2 years. My kitchen was kind of dark. The ceiling was low. I had it updated in 1992, and by this time it was outdated, and I wanted a new kitchen. To bring it in with the rest of the house, kind of open it up. It had been in the works for the last 2 years, contemplating getting the kitchen remodeled. I called a couple of companies. A lady down the street had her kitchen remodeled, and I was at her house at a party, and I called the company that did her kitchen. The particular person had left that company, and I never did get in contact with him again. Once I found the door hanger from Structura, I called, spoke with Kobe. Kobe came out and gave me a consultation, and I fell in love right then and there. The thing that made Structura remodeling stand out for me is that they help you with the designing of your kitchen. I didn't have to do a lot of footwork. It was all there in the consultation and the 3D design, and that's what I was looking for. Structura Remodeling was a company that appeared to have everything lined up, that you could depend on them. I had a lot of confidence in Kobe. And everybody was so professional, so courteous and professional. Everybody that I worked with from Structura Remodeling was absolutely amazing in terms of being on time. They were never late. I don't care how early I got up in the morning. The one guy that was doing the work in the kitchen was sitting outside waiting. Everybody was very nice and respectful. I felt very comfortable in leaving my home with the people in the house and just going on with my life. So the electrical paneling had to be upgraded. That was done very efficiently. Satisfied with that. Another thing that was discovered is when we got ready to, we were doing the demolition, we realized that the windows, the previous person that installed windows for me did not include a header, and it was a lot of damaged wood, so we had to take care of that. And Structura, people did that. They did just that. Since working with Structura, what exceeded my expectation is the length of time that it took. It appeared to be like that. It went by very, very fast. I didn't have time to get stressed out. The kitchen itself had just come out beautiful. The entire kitchen exceeded my expectation. I would recommend Structura because of just for that reason that they are fast. They are very professional. The job appears to be within reasonable estimation of all other companies that you deal with. Trustworthy, and I just feel happy. If you want a reliable company, go with Structura Remodeling. They are professional, they get the job done. You can see what it is that you're getting beforehand and the designs that they do for you, and they're trustworthy. I just want to thank Structura Remodeling. I cannot believe that after 2 years of contemplating getting a new kitchen, that it has already been done. And it's done to my satisfaction, that I love it. I love it.